getting started with Rust. The main thing that we need to do to get started with Rust is on Windows, you have to install C++ build tools, then install Rust, and then install your preferred IDE or text editor. Okay, so we'll first start with installing C++ development tool via Visual Studio, and I'm going to this page, which is the Visual Studio download page, but we'll not download Visual Studio. We'll scroll down and go to the Visual Studio tools for Visual Studio, and from here we'll see that build tools for Visual Studio. Okay, so let's download this one because it contains C++ desktop part, which is required for running Rust on Windows. So let's download it and set it up. So from this page I'll check the desktop development with C++, then I'll click on install. It will include those things, so I'm clicking on install, and I'm also selecting install while downloading. This one is fine for this. Let's click on this. So it is around 1.6 GB as of now, so it will take some time to complete. Okay, as you can see, the installation is done. Let's click on OK, and as you can see, Visual Studio build tool is done. If I click on modify, I'll see that the desktop development with C++, which is checked. Okay, so that is the only thing that is required for now. Let's close it and go to Rust's official website. So here I'm on rustlang.org. I'm going to install, and now install the Rust up Windows installer 64-bit. So now it is very straightforward. We will just install the installer and run it, and it is a CLI thing. So it is asking me for if I want to proceed with standard installation. If I want to proceed, then I will type 1 and click press enter, and it will start installing Rust. So Rust has a package manager and build tool called Cargo. You will have it with this Rust installer, so you do not have to worry about the build and run thing. So it downloaded the compiler and other thing one by one and completed the installation. So it is asking to press any key to continue. Let's press enter, and the installation window is gone. So now let's open the command prompt and check if Rust is installed successfully. So for that we'll type rustc --version, and we can see that Rust compiler is there. Now let's check for cargo -version, and cargo is also there. So Rust is installed. So now if you are already into JetBrains ecosystem, then you can use their IDE, the Rust Rover. It is free. But if you are into Visual Studio Code, then it will be very easy for you. You just install this Rust Analyzer extension and then Rust Syntax extension, these two. So install these two and your system will be ready for Rust. So let's create a new project and check it by running it. Okay, so the command will be on the directory where I am. So I'm currently on download/rust folder. On this directory I'll type cargo new. Let's say I want to create a hello world dummy project, so I'll type hello_world, and it will create a new hello world project. So now if I type ls, I can see that. If I type dir, I'll see that a new hello world directory is there. And if I cd to hello world directory and ls here, dir here, I'll see that a new cargo.toml file is present, and there is a folder called source. So it created a new Rust project. So let's just run it. So for that I'll type cargo run, and it showed hello world on the console. It created a Windows exe using the Windows build thing we have initially installed. So that's it, guys. After creating the project, you can just open this on VS Code or your favorite IDE. Good luck with Rust development. That's all for this video. I'll see you on the next one. Until next time.